Dear Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, teachers, and all my dear students. Today we all have again gathered here for morning assembly. So today the turn for English assembly. So I, being an English teacher, would like to represent here with the morning theme with Lucky Ma'am. So all of you join your hands, close your eyes, and remember your own God.
Flowers are glistening. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy just round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, sent upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing. Come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy must round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing. Oh, that today be my found. Now as to God your confessing, now as one Jesus found. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy goes round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, if we but trust and obey. There shall be season refreshing, if we but have His way. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy must round us are falling, but for the shower we plead. But for the shower we plead.
School service, attention, service. Now I would like to call our junior wing students to perform their activities.
In